Hey y'all, it's me, DWI, and it's that time of year again when I am making my sweet holiday treats. And I know you're always asking me for my little angel fluff recipe. I don't know if it's angel fluff, I call it angel crack. Because y'all, oh my stars and garters, when you make this, you are gonna sit and eat the whole bushel basket that you make. So simple ingredients. I'm gonna show you as we go along. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. Christmas crack or angel cloud, I don't know. Okay, y'all, here we go. So what you need is something to melt your chocolate in. This is my little Tupperware. You need a bowl to mix in, melting and mixing. Then you need your little bag, one bag of candy melts, wherever you get those at. And then you're going to have the Mike Sells. Now, Mike Sells original, not flavored, original corn puff. And then we need a tray, right, with a little nonstick. So next step. So take your candy melts, dump them, right? Take your Mike Sells and dump it. Oh my gosh. Okay, look, I forgot to put my rings on. Anyway, so here we are back, melted. So 15 seconds, stir, 15 seconds, stir, 15 seconds, stir, 15 seconds, stir until it gets all melty. You want to do it like that so you don't scorch your chocolate. Then you're going to dump it, y'all. Dump it on top of your corn puff. Make sure that you get all of that goodness out of that little microwave bowl. And then we fix and try not to throw it on the floor. Mixing. Now, you want to fold this, y'all. So, you're tossing and mixing, folding and tossing and mixing and folding. Don't be banging the heck out of those little corn puffs. You don't want to smash them up. So this takes a little while. So mixing, turning, making sure that you're getting all of that delicious chocolate covered onto every one of those little teeny tiny pieces of corn puff. Mixing and turning. Patience is required. Mixing and turning and mixing. Is this boring or what? Mixing and turning and mixing. Do 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 do. Slide your little tray in place, and then you dump all of this onto the tray. Now, this is very important. You push and you push and you push and you push and you layer one layer. Push and you push and you push and you push and you layer one layer. You can get in there with your fingers if you have impeccably clean hands like I do. So you want to make one layer. Try to separate them because this chocolate is going to dry, and you want them to try not to be in one big old clump. You don't want one big clump because that's going to not work, y'all. So pushing. This takes a little while. Make sure that look. Thumbs up, ta-da. Now, what we want to do is you can break these apart very carefully into your Tupperware container or a airtight container, but you got to have the Tupperware at the house. So little pieces, just break them apart. So try not to eat all of this listen, y'all, this is so delicious. So breaking each little piece apart, each little piece just like that, perfection. And then when you're all done, put the little seal on your Tupperware container and you are ready to have some delicious angel crack cloud fluff for the holidays. Thanks for watching.